we'll guide you through how to set up Mailchimp double opt-in. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged into your Mailchimp account, click Audience from the left-hand navigation menu. If you have more than one audience, use the Audience drop-down to select the one you want to manage. Next, click More Options, then choose Audience Settings. On the Audience Settings page, scroll to the Form Settings section and click Edit next to Email Opt-in Settings. Select Double Opt-in, then click Save Opt-in Setting to apply the change. When you enable Double Opt-in, Mailchimp automatically enables reCAPTCHA for its hosted sign-up forms to help prevent spam. With Double Opt-in enabled, anyone who signs up through a Mailchimp sign-up form will receive a confirmation email. They must click the confirmation link before they're added to your audience as a subscribed contact. This helps verify email addresses, improves list quality, and can reduce spam complaints. Keep in mind that this setting only applies to Mailchimp's own sign-up forms. If you're using a third-party form or an API integration, the opt-in behavior depends on how that integration is configured. If you'd like to customize the confirmation email and other sign-up messages, go to Audience, then open Sign-up Forms and select Form Builder or Manage Forms. From the Forms and Response Emails drop-down menu, choose Opt-in Confirmation Email to edit its content and branding. You can also customize the sign-up form, thank you pages, and other response emails so they match your brand. Note that the opt-in confirmation email option only appears after double opt-in has been enabled for the selected audience. Using double opt-in is a best practice for building a high-quality email list because it confirms that subscribers genuinely want to receive your emails. It can also improve deliverability by ensuring your audience contains valid, engaged contacts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.